Michelle here with StrawBearie.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make these ribbon loops that go all the way around your homecoming mum. So here you can see they're kind of pointy looking ribbons, two ribbons together, and you can mix and match. So for example, on this one, I've got some that are just loops on the back side, and then in front of those, I have pointy loops. This is super simple to make. So you're going to need about 6 inches of both of your ribbons. You're going to put a thinner ribbon, so this is about 3/4 of an inch, and this is about 1.5 inches. And you put the smaller one on top of the larger one. And then you take it and, like you're making an awareness ribbon, you're going to take both ends and pull them in so that you get that kind of pointy shape and match the ends at the bottom. And you're going to take your stapler, staple that together. So I like to do this in stages. I usually cut all of my ribbon. So I have a bunch of 6-inch ribbons, then I'll do all these, and then I will put all of them onto my base for my mum. And then to put them on the base of your mum, you're just going to put them on and staple them. And usually go from this side to this side to this side to this side. So I'm putting them on evenly, spacing them out, and then you put the flower in the middle. And by the way, this is just the cardboard from one of the spools of ribbon, and this would be more the size for a mini mum or a boutonniere. For the guys. Okay, so the second type of loop that you can make is take your 2 ribbons again in your contrasting colors, one bigger, one smaller, cut it at 6 inches again, and this time you're just going to curl it from end to end like that. So you just have a loop, and you're going to staple that, and then you can staple that to your cardboard that you're using, your circle. And so in this one, you can see both of them together. Here's the awareness type loop, and here's the regular type loop. And they both give a different look, and I like to kind of mix them and match them. Thank you all so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and have a super awesome day. Toodles!